Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use low-temperature aluminum welding rods. First, prioritize safety by always wearing essential protective gear like heavy-duty gloves and safety glasses. Next, ensure your aluminum workpiece is meticulously clean. Any dirt or oil will hinder a strong bond. Finally, gently preheat the aluminum to around 700 degrees Fahrenheit, which helps the rod flow smoothly and ensures proper adhesion. Once your aluminum is preheated, maintain a steady heat source, such as a propane torch, directly on the joint area. Then, gently touch the low-temperature aluminum rod to the heated joint. The rod will melt and flow into the seam, creating a strong bond. Move the heat source and the rod together along the repair line, ensuring a consistent and even bead for optimal strength. To achieve the best results, be careful not to overheat the aluminum, as it can quickly become too soft and collapse. Focus on just enough heat to melt the rod and allow it to flow into the joint, ensuring full penetration for a robust connection. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try several passes on scrap aluminum pieces to develop a feel for the correct temperature and rod application. After completing your weld, let the aluminum piece cool down naturally. Rapid cooling can weaken the bond. Once cool, you can clean off any remaining flux or residue to achieve a neat finish. These low-temperature rods offer a simple and effective way to make strong, lasting repairs on many aluminum items, from thin sheets to thicker castings, without needing expensive equipment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.